Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, at this time, if I could focus everyone's attention to the center of the dance floor, as I would like to take this opportunity and welcome every single one of you to the very beautiful and exquisite Venetian for the wedding reception of Calvin and Yeshi. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I introduce to you some very special people, I do have one question. Friends and family, are you guys ready to have a good time with our bride and groom? Can we clap our hands and make some noise? That is what I'm talking about. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's focus our attention to the top of the staircase entranceway. And ladies and gentlemen, first, it gives me great honor and pleasure to introduce to you the very proud father of our beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Tashi Yozo! And ladies and gentlemen, let's keep that round of applause going as we welcome our handsome groom's parents. I'm talking about Donna and TC Hewitt! Ladies and gentlemen, we only have one couple left to introduce to you this evening. So, if you're not doing so already, please rise from your seats. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please rise and focus your attention one more time to the top of the staircase entranceway. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, I need everybody clapping their hands to the beat now. Clap, 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 clap. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honor and pleasure, and for the reason why we came out to celebrate this evening, put your hands together for the new Mr. and Mrs. Hewitt! The beautiful bride and groom, ladies and gentlemen! So everybody put those hands up your bride and groom! What I'm talking about, I love that energy. At this time, I would like to ask our bridal party members to please step to the edges of our dance floor. And it looks like Calvin has his beautiful wife in the center already. Calvin, how does that sound, your beautiful wife? Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause as they're going to share their first dance as husband and wife to a song entitled Unchained Melody by the Righteous Brothers. So, first we would like to start things off with a slow song and invite all the beautiful couples out there to join our beautiful bride and groom. So escort that special someone. Join us on the dance floor. We are inviting all the beautiful couples to join our bride and groom.